Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will just discuss some important things about image optimization. So if you found that your images are too big and they are not compressed accurately by you customly, so then you have some nice tools for compressing the images, and that tools actually you can find these tools online. Just search for compress images and you will find a lot of tools. Similarly, we have this tool you can see by which you can upload a jpg image and then in result he will compress your image, and then he will give you a better image, and then you can replace that image with of the WordPress with that uploaded the older image. Okay, definitely sometimes we want to convert pngs to jpg, because as compared to jpg, png take more space and it is not too much happily compressed. So it's always better to convert your png images to jpg images. Although when we have created our website, we have already created jpg images and we have uploaded the jpg images, only the logo is in png and favicon is in png, but other images, all the images are actually the jpg images. But if in your case, if you uploaded png images, then you have nice tools over there by which you can convert your png images to jpg, and then you can use that images in WordPress. Although we actually, in our case, this is not the, we already have Lightspeed cache plugin, and in that plugin we already have optimization for the images, so you can customly optimize that images in WordPress itself. So we don't need these tools, but I just want to share you this thing, that if in case you don't you are not using Lightspeed cache and you want to compress the images, you have alternative techniques as well. So image optimization is very important. So in speed test you can see that we have 1.7 MB of page size, but if the similar images will have a bigger size, for example, if image size is 200 KB and if we put a image of 1 instead of 200 KB, then definitely our speed will be compromised with that bigger size images. So it is also very important step to optimize images, to optimize the speed and the SEO for your website. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.